Gorilla glue.
Glitter glue.
Gorilla glue.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Melv6. Today we are doing the Home Depot Kids Workshop Elf Ornament Picture Frame. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to grab this one since I'm in the middle. Now 1 and 5. Alright, so let's dump them out first.
All right, what is the first thing that we do when we open up our packages?
Sort everything out.
Let's go ahead and get everything sorted out.
We got 2 of these. Named together, nailed.
You got them all sorted out. We did go ahead and paint ours before we got started. So if you want yours painted, you can get an adult to help you with that. You have your nails.
Don't get them everywhere.
Put all your nails together. Notice that there's 2 different sizes of nails, and our instructions tell us that we need a hammer and wood glue. Everything else is provided. Starting with step 1, it says lay the frame bottom piece down with the nail holes on the top. So you're going to get your long skinny piece, so that one right there, with the 2 nail holes facing up.
There's actually nail holes on both sides.
Okay, so you are going to go ahead and start with your long nails.
Alright, so boys, grab a long nail. A long nail. So this is where the hammers come in. Let's put those in.
Go ahead and flip it over so when we put it on, see how there's writing on the back of that block?
Like this?
Yes. So we want the writing when we put it on the frame so you can be able to see it.
Wait, oh, I'll put it upside down.
Oh, there you go. Ethan, can you help Elijah to show him? Did he get the right side?
Is that good?
That's great. So we're gonna go ahead and get the nails started.
So boys, grab a hammer and let's do this.
Make sure you get the long nails. Don't do the small ones. There's 2 different sizes.
I'm trying to repair them. Nope, too small. Try to make them more.
Make sure you get your longer ones. You're doing a great job, Elijah. Get it started on there. You're gonna get it to where it goes all the way through. That way it's easier when we put it on the other 2 pieces.
Wait.
Right there's good, Daniel?
One more. There we go. Now let's get the other side in.
All right, Elijah, can you get your other one hammered in? Okay. The next part of step 1, it says place the nail frame bottom piece on top. Make sure the outside edges are even and nail them to form a frame. So you're going to make sure that the 2 small slots, these pieces right here, are going to be facing in. So Isaiah, since you see this little slots, Elijah? How you're gonna do it? Okay, Isaiah,
Look, it almost makes an E.
Right, we're gonna have our slots in. I'll hold it for you, Elijah. We're gonna start on this side. Do this one right here.
Make sure you have adult permission whenever you are doing the Home Depot's crafts because they usually require nails and hammers. Yeah, and nails can do this. Just run away.
Oh, make sure you get the nail and not my fingers. Go ahead and get it hammered all the way in there. You're doing a good job. And it is all the way in. Good job, Elijah. So does everybody have their frame?
Wait, why is this? This is where the frame comes in. Right?
Yes, we are going to move on to step 2. It says place the base flat with the marks on top.
So boys,
add thin lines of glue in between the 2 nail holes on the bottom and on the sides.
Make sure you have wood glue too. But we don't
To add
need
just a little bit of glue, a little bit of line. There you go. That's enough. Elijah's gonna get a little wood glue put on his. You're just gonna put a little bit in between the holes, Elijah. Just a little bit. That's good. Go ahead and add a little to the other side.
And then up.
Just a little right there and a little right there. That's good. And then you're gonna go take your frame. Use how Elijah and Nathaniel did it. Okay, we're gonna flip them over and that's where we're going to put the nails in. Your glue's just gonna kind of hold it in place for you a little bit while you wipe it on your apron, Isaiah.
Oh yeah, this is just an apron.
Yep.
These?
That's why we're wearing aprons.
Oh no, let me be dry up quick.
Yes, so moving on to step number 3, using the marks as, carefully turn your project over. Using the 6 short nails, you're gonna nail them together.
Stop doing the moon. Whoop, just got mine finished. And?
So we got the 6 nails. Gonna go ahead and hammer those in. Isaiah, you're doing a great job. It's okay if they pop out. These will move a little bit on you. Your nails are jumping.
Now my block is jumping. I did this one.
You got one more nail, Isaiah, and it's stuck to your finger. Is your finger magnetic like the screwdriver? Then how did it hold the nail straight up?
That tip's gonna be in the locker room. Gorilla glue.
Gorilla glue.
Gorilla glue.
Gorilla glue.
My glue
Okay, we got all of our nails done. The next step is all you're gonna do is take your stickers and go ahead and put your stickers on.
This side? This side? Over the nails?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And then put any picture you want.
And after we finish putting our stickers on, we are going to peel off the blue sides of our frame. There's a blue film on both sides and it's going to be your step number 4.
Almost.
One more ear to go.
And now zero everything to go. What's up? Zero.
All right, Isaiah, the next thing you're going to do step number 4 and go ahead and pull the blue pieces off of your frame. You see the little pieces of plastic? There's a blue film that you're going to peel off.
Wait, where is it?
Nope, it's on the blue piece.
Isaiah, on this. Like these? Yeah, I don't. Look at it. I'm always peeled.
Does everybody have? Take your. You're gonna take your 2.
Sticker.
Your 2 pieces of plastic and go ahead and grab your picture. And you're gonna put your picture in the middle of the 2 pieces of plastic. In between the 2 pieces of plastic. Just like Nathaniel's doing. There you go. So you'll have a piece of plastic on the front and a piece of plastic on the back, Isaiah. So get your other piece of plastic.
These are hard to see at this point.
They kind of blend in with the ground.
Down. And then picture upside down.
And then go ahead and slide them into your picture frame.
How? Just like this. This is.
Now if you need a hand sliding it in, it's okay to ask.
Yeah. But these are kind of tricky.
I wouldn't say tricky, but they're fine though.
Here we go.
Nathaniel's got his slid in. And last, you're just gonna go ahead and decorate it now. You can decorate the front however you want to. So go ahead and grab your markers.
Yeah.
And
wait, the string. What will we do with the string?
This keeps falling out.
What will we do with the string, right?
the string, we're gonna go ahead and tie the string on the top at the end.
Yeah.
Can I please have my hand sliding it in? I can't get it to stay.
Okay.
So next we are going to
Color. My favorite part.
We got them all put together. We just need to put the string in the top, and we're just gonna go ahead and decorate them now.
I'm just gonna.
So Isaiah, are you gonna draw anything on yours? Or you're just gonna color to color?
Gonna draw something. Papa, I think my friend. I am coloring down the screws.
So are you gonna color yours, anything, or are you gonna draw something?
I'm gonna do it half and half.
Half and half?
Yep.
All right, now that we finished coloring, we are going to give you a preview of what we made. So let's start with Isaiah to Elijah. So what did you make, Isaiah?
This is a present that has something good inside.
That looks really good, Isaiah.
And here are the presents. Don't have anything in there, but that means it's not something fun. It's just something boring. Just something.
Who's that present for?
Me.
For you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but it has math questions in there.
Oh,
And I'm done.
let's see yours, Ethan.
All right. For mine, I put a plain on the right side and a half and half on the left side. So I put a plain orange on the right side, and on the left side, I put for the top silver, which do really good on this white, and green on the bottom, which didn't really go that well with this white. So Elijah, what did you make?
These are two presents.
Who are your presents for, Isaiah? Elijah.
This one's for mom. That one's for me. That one's for mommy. Now that's me. And that's mommy. What's that?
You didn't get Daddy a present? Elijah.
And that's mommy. And that's daddy. Actually, that's mommy and that's daddy.
Aww. You guys all did a really good job on your elf ornaments. The things that come with every single Kids Workshop package is a certificate of achievement. Here's yours, Isaiah. Ethaniel.
Ooh.
And can you pass to Elijah his? So you get your certificate of achievement. You want to hold those up so we can show everybody what they look like? And you get your pin, which has the elf ornament on it. Go ahead and pass our pins out. Hold them up so everybody can see them.
Bye everyone! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button